Pro number 1 is that this is the first white cement colorway we have seen since 2018's free throw line AJ3. Number 2 is that these feature the iconic Nike Air on the back tab. Number 3 is that on the bottom it says Nike instead of Jordan, which is true to the OG spec. Number 4 is that instead of the chain that usually connects the hang tag to the shoe, we have the plastic right here, which is true to the OG spec. 5, these colors, the white, the cream, the black, the red, they can match so easily with so many outfits. Number 6 is that we have a whole theme going on with this shoe. It is aged, it has the lost and found vibe on the shoe, but not only on the shoe, we have the distressed box as well, which is really cool and it adds to the overarching theme. Next, it was the first Air Jordan designed by Tinker Hatfield. Moving on, this is also one of the 4 OG colorways, which is a major plus. And after that, I would say Money wore these shoes on court, which makes this shoe all the more special. Also, this was really the Jordan that solidified the partnership between Michael Jordan and Nike, so there is a lot of history behind this shoe. This is your first Air Jordan 3 that you're going to be getting. It is a banger way to start off your Air Jordan 3 collection. So those were some of the pros. Let me get into the cons. There are not many, but these are the cons that I do want to know. Also, one more pro is that if you buy these and wear them with care, down the road when you decide you want to sell them to get a new pair of Jordans, they will hold their value. Getting into the cons, there's not many, but I definitely want to point these out, is that over time with wear, the 3s may develop a pretty harsh crease on the toe box. And the next con I do want to point out is there have been some quality control issues with the elephant print that may look different on some pairs, so just to be aware of the quality control on some of the pairs you may be getting. The last con that I want to point out is the story. If these are supposed to be like the lost and found AJ1s where you find them after so many years, this midsole would be crumbled. So I think Jordan Brand should have gave these the AJ2 low midsole cracking treatment. That looked amazing and it would have been realistic. They could have also did something like that with the tab. That is just my opinion, but I think that would have followed through with the lost and found story way better. So really the biggest thing from my con list is the quality control that you may or may not get depending on which factories your pairs came from. If you have any questions on these, make sure to let me know. Also, make sure to enter the Mike Tyson t-shirt giveaway that we are going to be doing today, 3/10 at 5 p.m. on the Kicked Out LV Insta. Click on the link that I put in the comment section to enter this giveaway. Good luck. Let me know if you guys are going to cop the AJ3 in the Reimagined colorway. Till next time, guys. Peace.